Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make an image file smaller on Mac. So I have this JPEG file here and the size is around 3 MB. Let's say I want the file size to be around 1 MB. First I'll double click on this file and open it with Preview. We don't need Photoshop or any other fancy tool like that. I'll show you two ways to make the file size smaller. For the first method, I'll go to File and select Export. And you can change the file format like JPEG, PNG. JPEG is fine for this one. And you can select the picture quality here. If you drag this pointer and move it down, you can see the file size is getting smaller. So you can keep dragging it until it's right around 1 MB. Okay, it looks good and you just have to save it. You can change the file name. I'll call it dog small and hit save. Okay, if you go back to the desktop and check on the file, you can see that the file size for the new file is about 1 MB. I'll show you the second method. I'll go back to the original file. For the second method, I'll go to Tools and Adjust Size. Here, instead of changing the file format, you can change the pixel size. Since the original file size is about 3 MB and we're trying to shrink it to 1 MB, which is around 1/3 of the original file, I will change the width to about 2000. As I change the width, the height changed as well because they are locked to each other. This way, you won't mess with the proportion. If you want to change the proportion of the image, you can take this box off, but it's going to mess with the image. So unless you're looking for something very specific, I recommend you keep this one on. And when I did that, you might have noticed the file size estimate changed. I can make it a little bit bigger, so maybe I'll go for 2500. Like this. It's calculating the size. It might take a few seconds. Okay, now it says the estimated size is about 800 KB. And I'll click on OK and save the file to confirm. Okay, this method will make changes to the original file. So if you look at the original file, which is dog.jpg, you can see that the file size is well under 1 MB. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this was useful. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, please subscribe to this channel.